Students, today let us learn about algebraic identities. The meaning of identities is nothing but something is true for all kinds of values. Like in terms of equations, if you write, like for example, if I write something like 2x plus y equals to if I say 10 or something, so this is true for all the values of x and y. So identity is nothing but it is true for all the values when you substitute them at the left and right hand side. Many a times you must be wondering about the meaning of a plus b whole square. So you might have heard that what is the use of this a plus b whole square in real life. One thing we all must understand, whenever I write some value, like if I write 3, it may represent, suppose if you write 3 in terms of centimeter, it may represent either height or it may represent length, or if you write it in kg, it may represent weight, or if you write it in terms of rupee, it may represent money. So like this, when a number is written based on the unit, we will decide what it represents. Suppose if the same number is written in the form of a square like this, so you must know that it represents area. Suppose if something is mentioned in the form of cube, so that always represents volume in maths. Okay, same way, suppose if I write something like a plus b. So a plus b means, in case if I assume that it is a length of something, so a is some value, b is some other value. Suppose if I take a line, suppose if I take this line, let's assume that it is a line AB, and this line has two parts, A and B. Suppose if I say from here to here it is A, and from here to here it is B. So the same A plus B, this is a plus b, like length from A to this is some measurement, and from here to here is some other measurement. When I add A plus B, I will be getting the length of AB. So that I can write AB centimeter. Suppose if I write it as A plus B whole square, then what it should represent, what I expressed, anything when you express in the form of a square, it always represents the square and area. So anything which is written in the form of a square which represents the area, that too particularly area of square. So I have taken a plus b here. If you see that a plus b, the same a plus b, we want to know what is the value of a plus b square, which means a plus b's square we have to take. So on a plus b I have created a square. So on the same a plus b, so if this is a square, all sides should be equal. So now what I will do, the same portion A should be, I will just roughly mark here, and then the same A, the A value should be same at the bottom also. So here I can mark A and this should be B. And here also at the left, if this is A, this should be B. And same way, suppose if you divide this side also, so this should represent A and this should represent B. See, now what you understand is the big square is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 4 different areas are there. So when you mix all these 4 areas, you are going to get the area of this square. You already know that area of square is equal to side into side. What is our each side? Each side is equal to a plus b into, so a plus b I have to do, because side into side, one side is equal to a plus b. You check everywhere, it is a plus b. Now there is a simpler way of doing this. Like if you see this, all 4 sides are a. Since this is a, this also is a. Since this is a, this is also a. What is the area of this piece? It is a square, because side into side, this is a square. And here also if you see, this much from here to here it is b, here also b, here b, this is also b. So this is another square. The area of this is b square. You look at this portion. This portion has length as b, breadth as a. So this is a rectangle shape. So area of this should be a into b. And here also the similar kind of area is there, a into b. So now we are looking for the area of this full square. So this is divided into 4 parts. You mix all these 4 parts. Area of square, what you will get, you see. Area of square. See, area of square, how do you write? According to the formula what I have written, side into side. So the bigger side is a plus b into a plus b. But left side, I will mix all these 4 pieces. So the first piece is a square plus, if you want, you can write b square next. And this ab plus ab. Total it should be 2ab. See, right hand side, same thing into same thing. Suppose if you have a into a, powers should be added or not? In the indices you have studied, when the bases are same, powers should be added. Same way the bases are same, powers should be, so the power of this is 1, this is 1. So power should be added. Okay. So now this is the formula created for you. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square represents the area of a square. So this is geometrically you have understood the meaning of a plus b whole square. Algebraically also you can find the value of a plus b whole square. Algebraically what you have studied is binomial into binomial you have studied. That is a plus b whole square, meaning is a plus b into a plus b. So if you open the bracket, you know that each member of this bracket should go and multiply to each member of that bracket, which is nothing but a should multiply to a first, then the same a should multiply to b next. Afterwards b will go to a and then same b will go to b. So first a into a is a square plus a into b, ab. Now so a has multiplied to both of them. Now b will have to multiply to both of them. So b into a. So b into a and a into b is same, right? So then b into b. So that is b square, which is going to become a square. ab plus ab, like terms can be added. A plus b plus a plus b means a into b is 2ab. So ab plus ab is 2ab. So b square here. So this is what, see, a plus b whole square became a square plus 2ab plus b square. The order doesn't make any difference. Whether you write a square plus b square plus 2ab or 2ab if you write in the center also, it is gives the same meaning. Suppose, what is the use of this identity? See, always whenever you get a question in this pattern, suppose if you are multiplying or if you are squaring some number plus another number square, its expansion always in this shape, because this working out has been done already. So if you have a problem like in place of a and b, if I have x and y, so what it should become? X square plus 2xy plus y square it should become. Okay, suppose in place of x if I keep 2x, in place of y if I keep 3y whole square. In such situation, what is there in place of x? 2x is there. So you have to square 2x, then you have to 2 into first number and second number. First number is 2x, second number is 3y, and lastly y square. Y square, in place of y square you have 3y. So 3y whole square. So if you can compare it with the original identity also. See, in place of a you have 2x. So wherever you write a square, you should write 2x whole square. So plus 2, only a and b should be changed. So a means 2x, b means 3y. So 2x and 3y you have written. Last, instead of b square you have written 3y whole square. Now you have to simplify. See, 2x whole square, which means this square is applicable for 2 as well as x. First 2 square will become 4, then x square, plus, you have seen the multiplication of algebraic terms. First all the numbers you have to multiply. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. then x into y, xy plus. So first 3 square, then y square. So this becomes the expansion of 2x plus 3y. And it is very simple to find the square of this. Like for example, if I want to find square of 103, see what you can do in such situation. Same 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 whole square. See, now apply. This is a, this is b. So what actually you should do, a plus b means first a square you have to write. A square means first you have to write 100 square. Then b square. B square means 3 square. Then 2 into a and b. Your a is 100 and your b is 3. So 100 into 3. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 3 square is 9. Then 2 into 100, 200 into 3, 600. So now your answer will become 10,609. So this will be very easy to find the square of any number. So in terms of number squaring, you will understand. In terms of, for example, instead of the measurements a and b, if you get the first part as 2x and second part as 3y, instead of doing geometrically like this, this is the easy way of identifying the value of a plus b whole square. And then in place of a and b, any number may come. Instead of a and b, x and y may come, and any other notation also may be referred. So I hope you have understood the explanation, and if you like it, you share with your friends. And if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box. I'll help you. Thank you, students.